Guest Pass. Give your guest a backstage ticket to their vacation with Guest Pass. Connect with your guest in real time using in app communication tools to engage your guests while saving time and resources. Upsell amenities and concierge services, which can be purchased by guests directly from Guest Pass. Guest Pass can also be customized and branded as the same look and feel of your website. If you're interested in the branded edition of Guest Pass, please contact our team here at Cyrus. Prior to allowing your guests to access their Guest Pass account, you will need to enter property location amenities and house rules for each property in your account. To do so, go to Website and Marketing and then click on Guest Portal. Under the House Rules tab is where you can enter rules you would like your guests to read to help avoid any bumps in the road before they occur. To enter a rule, select the property using the Property drop-down chooser, click on Add, enter the new house rule title, and then the rule details and the freeform text drop-down menu. And then click Save. To enter location amenities for each property, select the correct property using the Property drop-down chooser. Again, Website and Marketing, Guest Portal, and then select the Location Amenities tab. Click on Add, enter the new location amenity title, description of location amenity, the coordinate codes for the map location, location image URL, and the embedded video link from YouTube, and then click Save. Please repeat these steps for each property for entering house rules and property location amenities. By default, the system creates a Guest Pass account for each guest in your system. To give your guests access to their Guest Pass account, go to Reservations and Quoting, Bookings Manager, select the booking, General Details, and then click on the View button. Expand the Guest Portal account panel. Their Guest Pass username will always be the guest email address, and the system automatically generates the Guest Pass password. To email this information to your guest, click on Email to Guest. Now the guest has received their login credentials. This is what the system default email looks like. You can create a custom CRM email template which can be automatically sent to your guests to provide access to their Guest Pass account. To create a custom CRM email, please watch our CRM training tutorial for how to create a custom CRM Guest Pass email. Now that we've entered house rules, property location amenities, and entered the reservation, let's look at the features of Guest Pass. The guest will enter their email address as their username and the password. If the guest has multiple reservations in your system, they will enter their booking ID, unless you have merged the guest's bookings or records in your account. To merge a repeated guest, please watch our CRM training tutorial. If you have not merged their records, then the guests will enter their booking ID. With Guest Pass, your guests can view accommodation and property location, such as photos, property detail, or the location of the property. Also, a countdown to the guest trip or to their stay. They can check in and out, which will reflect in your system in real time. They can view their booking information, such as the totals, submit payments, either their remaining balance, or they can override the remaining balances to pay in increments. They can review trip information. They can add concierge services to their reservation, again, which will reflect in your system in real time, and they can look at the booked services. FunPass. Guest Pass is also connected to FunPass, which will offer a variety of discounted attraction tickets to your guest. FunPass automates the ordering and delivery of major attractions and activities. Create the ultimate guest experience while you, as a property manager, earn commissions on each sale from your guest. For more information on FunPass, please contact our team here at Cyrus. They can also look at their favorite listings, such as current, past, and future trips. They can look at house rules, which you have entered into the back end of the system, local amenities, and they can view your contact information or send a message which you will receive to your email in real time. Once you have processed their full reservation total, you can allow your guests to view property access codes and arrival instructions. To do so, go back to your Cyrus account, Reservations and Quoting, Bookings Manager, select the correct reservation, and then go to the Total Booking Summary. Click on the Check In, Check Out Information tab, and then enable this setting again to allow your guests to view arrival instructions or property access codes. Once enabled, the guests can view the property access codes in their Guest Pass account. Would you like to promote Guest Pass? Please feel free to use and share the Guest Pass consumer video with all of your guests. The video link can be found on our online documentation by going to Support and Documentation, and then click on Online Documentation, and this is where you can locate the Guest Pass consumer video to distribute to all of your guests.